Don't forget about accessibility and ensure it's at the forefront of your architecture. Making your site more accessible makes it a better experience for everyone. Depending on your industry, it may even be legally required to have a level of accessibility by default. Have fun, bring your entire self to the platform, and keep the web weird.
My advice for anyone looking to build a new website or even a new career is to remember that it's okay to start over, change directions, and go through multiple drafts. Creativity isn't about getting it right on the first try.
One tip to think about is constantly repurposing work onto your website. One example of this is the videos that our team makes. They are full of great insight and examples on things like creating Flutter widgets or launching your apps to the App Store. So we've embedded these into our documentation in relevant areas so that developers who are more visual learners can find these videos easily in the moments that matter.